Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with MrB and Anna. I'm Mr. B, and today we have another fun and helpful episode to help you speak English more naturally and confidently, even if you're just starting out.
Hi guys, I'm Anna. We're super excited because today we're sharing 10 simple daily habits that can really improve your English speaking, step by step, every single day.
But hey, before we start learning,
Don't forget to hit that like, leave us a comment, and of course, subscribe so you won't miss any new episodes.
exactly, because we're here every week to help you practice, laugh, and love learning English.
Ate? Okay, habit number 1 might sound a little crazy, but it really works. Talk to yourself in English.
Yes, you can do it anywhere, in the mirror, in your room, or even while cooking or walking.
For example, say things like, I'm brushing my teeth now. I'm gonna make some coffee. What should I wear today?
Exactly. You don't need anyone else. You're just practicing thinking and speaking in English.
When you do this every day, English starts to feel natural, like part of your brain.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you're learning.
Unless you start arguing with yourself in English, then maybe take a little break.
Habit number 2, learn 5 new words a day.
Here's another easy one. Learn just 5 new English words every day.
Only 5. That's easy, right? You can write them on sticky notes or use an app.
Let's say your words today are delicious, hungry, breakfast, coffee, and tired. Now try to make a sentence with them.
I'm tired, but my breakfast coffee is delicious.
That's perfect. You see, you learn vocabulary faster when you use it.
Exactly. If you learn 5 words a day, that's 150 words in a month and almost 2,000 in a year.
Wow, you'll have a big vocabulary before you know it. Habit number 3, listen to English every single day.
Even if it's just 10 minutes, listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, music, or even English movies.
And don't worry if you don't understand every word. The goal is to get your ears used to English sounds, rhythm, and tone.
Exactly. Over time, your brain starts recognizing patterns. Words will click more easily.
That's what happened to me. I used to listen to English songs and repeat after the singer. Now I can sing karaoke in English. Badly, but confidently.
Confidence is what matters. Habit 4, speak with a friend or partner.
Habit 4, speak with someone in English.
You can speak with your classmate, your friend, your cousin, or even your online study buddy.
That's fun. You can talk about your day, food, movies, anything.
And if you can't find a speaking partner,
Then speak with me. Just talk to the screen when you watch our videos.
that's right. The more you speak, the more natural you'll sound.
And this one can feel scary at first. Record your own voice speaking English.
Yes, it's a powerful habit. When you record yourself, you can hear your pronunciation, rhythm, and mistakes.
And then you can compare your voice to native speakers.
Exactly. For example, say, "How are you today?" Then listen to how a native speaker says it. Compare and try again.
You'll be surprised how much you improve after just a few recordings.
Also, it's fun to listen to your old recordings months later. You'll hear your progress and feel proud.
Unless you accidentally record yourself singing in the shower.
Habit 6. Try to think in English.
Yes, don't translate everything from your language. That slows you down.
Start small. When you see something, name it in English.
Like phone, cup, chair, blue sky.
Or when you feel something, say it in English.
I'm hungry. I feel sleepy. This coffee is so good.
English trains your brain to respond faster and more naturally when speaking.
Soon you'll surprise yourself. You'll be thinking in English without even trying. Habit 7, read aloud.
You can read a book, an article, or even your phone messages.
Reading aloud helps your mouth, tongue, and brain work together.
Yes, it builds fluency and pronunciation.
If you want to sound natural, use emotion. For example, say, I can't believe it! Or, that's amazing!
I think Anna just scared my coffee.
Habit 8, watch English shows or YouTube videos.
Yes, if you love cooking, watch English cooking videos. If you like anime, watch English subtitles.
When you enjoy it, learning doesn't feel like studying.
Exactly. You can repeat funny lines or imitate your favorite character.
And it's okay to pause and repeat what you hear. That's how actors and interpreters train.
So next time you watch a movie, don't just watch. Talk back to it. Habit 9, review and repeat.
This one's simple but powerful. Review your notes, vocabulary, or phrases every week.
When you repeat what you learned, your brain moves it from short-term to long-term memory.
That means you remember it faster next time you speak.
Try this. Every Sunday, review your 5 words from each day that week.
That's 35 words. You can even quiz yourself. Make it a little game. And finally, habit 10. Have fun with English.
Yes, enjoy the process. Laugh at your mistakes. Celebrate small wins.
Speak English while cooking, singing, or even dancing. It doesn't have to be serious.
Yes, when you connect English with joy, your brain learns faster and remembers longer.
Exactly. Language is not just grammar or vocabulary, it's emotion, culture, and connection.
So find what makes you smile and learn English through that.
Wow, that was fun. Let's quickly review the 10 habits before we finish. 1. Talk to yourself in English. 2. Learn 5 new words a day. 3. Listen to English daily. 4. Speak with a partner. 5. Record your voice. 6. Think in English. 7. Read aloud. 8. Watch English shows. 9. Review and repeat. 10. Have fun.
Remember, small daily habits make big changes over time. Even 10 minutes a day can build your confidence and fluency.
So don't wait. Start today.
And as always, if you enjoyed this episode,
Hit like, leave us a comment, and of course, subscribe to Learn English with Mr. B and Anna.
thanks for listening and see you next time. Bye.